All right, Ben and I are here at home in northeast Tacoma. We're gonna put the lights up on this Rambler, and he's already getting started. He's just looking at how things are getting laid out, and he'll have this house done within an hour. Shouldn't be difficult at all. So Ben was telling me that the lights go up to the chimney, and they do this entire gutter line. I believe he said that the gutters here, and then run all the way down to the end of the house beyond the fence line. Here's a shot that you're never going to see. Somebody up on the roof shooting video, but here we are. So this peak gets lights, comes down here, and the extension cord is going to run right back to the base of that chimney, and then those lights right there are going to come down this direction and come around here. I'm going to have to talk to this homeowner, tell him that we should probably get over here and clean the gutters. There's a lot of stuff in those gutters, but we'll get the Christmas lights up today. We'll worry about the gutters on another day. So on this job, you might be asking yourself, I wonder why they use green wire. Well, it's really common, and when it's dark out, you can't even see it. All right, Ben's just putting the finishing touches on this. As you can see, the lights are already on. It isn't the exact right time of day to be seeing the lights on, but we'll make sure that we check all the bulbs and make sure that they're all on. And we just finished Christmas lights on this house, and we're just about ready to wrap up for the day. If you need Christmas lights in the Tacoma area, Gig Harbor, University Place, Fircrest, any place like that, and you're looking for Christmas lights, we'd love to help you out. Thanks again for watching. If you like and subscribe, and you'll see our next video. So have a great day.